I'm just letting people know that this business has been really good to me, and I would have had it no other way. If you're considering what am I going to do with myself, what am I going to do with my job, believe me, I was just 18 years old. You blink your eye, if whatever you did in between 18 and now 62, going on 63, whatever you do, you can't change it up in the middle. Whatever you start doing is going to be what you're stuck doing. So get into something that, at least if you're stuck doing it, you're making a lot of money. You could call the shots in the business. If you live in a place you want to live in, you drive a car you want to drive, you eat the food in the restaurants you want to go to, I think that's living basic. That's getting by. That's just your basic necessity, what you want to do. Everyone wants to do something. People have different tastes. But in this business, you'll be flying by, you'll have extra, and you can live a great lifestyle. You're able to do what you want to do. I can put my seat back and go to sleep if I want. I don't have to worry about a boss calling me and saying, go do this, go do that, and then getting mad at you if you're late and all that stuff. Who wants to live like that? If you're in a job where you hate waking up in the morning, you hate going in, you hate everything about it, we're in the best place possible to live. It's the same everywhere. Well, let's say it is a little less money in Indiana or somewhere, and not California. For the percentage of what you're making over your cost of living, it's all going to be around the same. You might charge more here because the cost of living is more here. Anyway, you guys want to listen to me? If you can, if you don't, good luck to you in that other road. If you want to be different than that, get into something different. Get in something where you control the money, you control how much you make, and do that. Be a person that goes a different route. Live your life. Take a different road. Take the high road. Don't go the same way everyone's going. Find a way to get in, because that little bit of push you're going to need to get in is going to change your whole life. If you don't do it, you may go down the wrong road. You don't want to wait 20 years and go, oh, I should have gotten the garage door business. You can be in this business repairing doors, easy jobs. So I'm just letting people know that this business has been really good to me, and I would have had it no other way. Besides being a movie star, I'd rather do this than be a doctor. I'd rather do this than be a lawyer. You know, you go to school for all those years to be any of those kind of jobs. I wouldn't want to do. This job gets me out in the real world. It makes me good money. I could be a lot more busy if I wanted. Look at that, getting a call right now. But what I was trying to tell you earlier, you guys could be 100 times more busier than me. I'm actually not trying to be busy. I'm only really doing this. 50% of the reason I do this is to show you guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker, and some people do it longer. The guy right now, he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too.